everyone. Hi, this is Miss Yordi. Today we will going to study about properties of addition. Do you remember about addition? Yes, addition is what? Addition is putting together. Yes? Okay. And when we have numbers and when we add them, or when we have things and when we add them, that means we are increasing. Okay? So today we will discuss about properties of addition. In our label, we will see two properties. The two properties of additions are additive property and commutative properties of addition. Are you ready? Nice. Before that, let me tell you one thing. Look, if you have two numbers, or let's call them A plus B is equals to C, or we can replace this into numbers. Tell me number, any number. For example, 5. 5 plus 2 is equals to, what's the answer? 5 plus 2. We will put 5 in our mind and 2 in our finger. 5 in my mind, 2 in my fingers. 5, 6, 7. Yes? Yeah. So the answer is 7. The thing that I want to tell you is that 5 and 2, we call them addends. What do we call them? Addends. Or A and B, we call them addends. Addends. And the result of addition is what? It is sum. So these two numbers, A and B, and these two numbers, 5 and 2, we call them what? Addends. And these, the result of addition is what? Sum. And the C, we call it what? Sum. Okay, if you keep this in your mind, let's proceed to the second topic. It's about the properties of addition. We have two properties. The first properties of addition is it's what? Commutative properties of addition. Okay, are you following me? Yes. Commutative properties of addition, and the second one is additive. Additive properties of addition. Okay? In our level, we will discuss only these two properties of addition. The first one is commutative properties of addition. That means commutative properties of addition means, for example, A plus B is equals to C. Yes? That means when we put these addition functions into commutative property, we will exchange their place, or we will change their place like this. B plus 1 A is equals to C. You see, this is what we call it commutative property. Let's change this into numbers. Give me any number. For example, 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is what? 8 in my mind, 2 in my finger. 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10. So when we change these two addends, or the place of addends, that there is no difference on its result. That's what commutative property is. We can change the place of the two addends in addition, but the result is the same. This is what commutative property means. So, it's what? 8 plus 2 is 10, yeah? So we can put like this. We can put these two addends. 2 plus 8 is equals to what? 2 plus 8 is also what? 10. You see? Is there any difference on its result? No, there is no difference. So, commutative property of addition is, it's a property of addition that we get the same result even if we exchange the place of addends. Okay? So this is commutative property of addition. When we pass to the second one, additive property, it means when we add any number to 0, or when we add any number with 0, the result is the number itself. This is what additive property means. Let's see it by example. For example, a plus 0. A plus 0 is what? When we add any number with 0, the result is the number what? The number itself. So that a plus 0, a is the number and 0 is, it's 0, yeah? So a plus 0 is equals to a. You see? That means 0 when we add any number with 0, or when we add 0 to any number, the result is the number itself. It doesn't make change on our sum. 0 doesn't make change on our result. That is additive property. Let's change it with number. Tell me any number. Any number. For example, 8. We can take 8 also here. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is 1. It's 1. 8. Yes, 8. You see, we add 0 on 8, but the result is still 8. This tells us what? 0 can't make change. When we add 0 to a number, the result is the number itself. Tell me another number. Let's take 100. What is this number? It's 100, yes? And let's add 0 to 100. 100 plus 0. What the result? Our sum is what? Sum is 100. Yes? Nice. Sum is 100. That means when we add 0 to a number, the result is the number itself. This is the first property. The second property. The first property of addition is what? Commutative properties of addition. That means when we exchange the two addends in addition, the result is the same. By exchanging addends, we cannot make a change on our result. You see, 8 plus 2 is 10. And when we exchange the place of these two addends here, 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. From this equation, from this mathematical sentence, we can understand that when we exchange the place of addends, the result is the same. There is no change on our result. This is commutative property. Whereas when it came to additive property of addition, when we add 0 to a number, the result is the number itself. There is no change on our sum. Okay? This is all about these two properties of addition. Thank you for listening and watching me. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. This is Miss